So in today's Do Now, we are going to solve this multi-step equation for x using the laws of equality. Like in every other equation we're going to use PEMDAS, which is the order of operations. So the first thing we'll look for is solving what is within the parentheses here. So we have two parentheses on both sides of the equation. Um, we have this 3x plus 4. That is already in its simplest form, so there's nothing we need to do there. And on the right side, we have this x plus 1. That is also in its simplest form. There are also no exponents. Um, then the next step would be to distribute or multiply here. So we multiply 3 by 3x and multiply 3 by 4 on the left side of the equation. So this would be 9x. 3 by 3x is equal to 9x plus 3 by 4 is 12. And then we still have our negative 7 or minus 7 here on the left side of the equation. So that is equal to, we multiply 13 by x, which is going to be 13x, plus 13, because 13 by 1 here is 13. So your next step would be simplifying both sides of the equation, meaning that putting all the like terms together. So on this side we have this positive 12 and negative 7. So when we put that together, we have positive 5 because 12 minus 7 is 5. So we have here 9x plus 5 is going to be equal to 13x plus 13. So on this side, on the right side, all the like terms are together, so we don't need to do anything there. So the next step we can do is to minus 9x from both sides because we want to put all the x's together, right? And the reason why we're minusing 9x because that 9x is smaller than 13x. We want to always have that positive coefficient of the variable. So this will cancel out, and we have 5 is now equal to 13 minus 9x, which is going to be 4x. And then we still have our plus 13. So we want to get 13 on the other side. We want to put it on the other side of the equation. So what we're going to do, we're going to minus 13 from both sides. So 5 minus 13 is going to give us negative 8. And that is going to be equal to 4x. Because this 13 will cancel out. So if negative 8 is equal to 4x, x must be equal to negative 2 because we are going to divide both sides by 4. And then we'll have negative 2 is equal to x. And there we have it. We have solved for the equation. In this equation, the variable x, the solution is x equals negative 2.